Hello students, I, Jyoti, convener of COC courses, welcome you all to this virtual orientation session on career oriented courses, popularly known as COC courses offered in your second year. This slide shows us that a professional degree always helps us to secure a good job, but a good job with expertise in a specific skill or a concerned skill adds a feather to your cap, which will help you in gaining success in your profession. So, why COCs are required? The status of autonomy gave flexibility to reorient and reshape programs offered in the college to make them more relevant and career oriented with focus on quality and excellence. Professionally qualified graduates with a sound knowledge of their core disciplines and expertise in a concerned skill will have more openings in service, industry, and self employment sectors. The demand and scope for such professionally trained graduates is a requisite in all the applied fields. When we look into the COCs ensure that students are enriched with knowledge, skills, and aptitude for gainful employment in wage sector or self-employment and also empower them on the path of continuous learning to upgrade skills to move up the ladder and build expertise for tomorrow. So finally, COC courses make a student more competent, confident, and communicative. General details of COC courses. The courses offered are approximately around 30 courses in this semester. It is compulsory for all the second year students to enroll into one COC course. It is a 2-credit course. The course will be conducted every Wednesday in the 4th semester, and the timings for the COC course on Wednesdays is from 3 to 4:30 p.m. in an online mode. The course are already mainly given in your online timetable. The evaluation pattern of COC course goes like this. So you have 15 marks continuous internal assessment, which includes attendance component, and attendance is mandatory, and it also has 35 marks end semester evaluation, where end semester evaluation is course dependent. It can be in the form of written examination or it can be in the form of a project. So it is important for all of you to note that attending the classes regularly is a mandate. Passing the COC course is a must because it will show up in your marks memo, and all of you are supposed to register only in one course and not in more than one course. Choose your course for value addition to your subject, which is potential to get job for you. So let's have a look at some COC courses. So we can see that there's different COC courses which are being offered by departments of the college. So media communication, baking techniques offered by Department of Nutrition, fitness and nutrition again offered by Department of Nutrition, insurance licentiate offered by Department of Commerce, disaster management offered by Department of Economics. Then we have aquarium maintenance offered by Department of Zoology, communication skills offered by Department of English, women career and growth also offered by Department of English. So let's look at the various COC courses offered by different departments. Department of Languages. So we have 2 courses offered by the Department of English. One course is Women Career and Growth, and the second course is Communication Skills for Professional and Personal Effectiveness. Women Career and Growth equip women students with essential skills required in personal and professional life, and it also helps in corporate and personal communication. Whereas when we talk about communication skills for personal and professional effectiveness, it is mainly helpful in gaining strategy for communicating in variety of workplace situation, and the course enables students to employ as reporters, copy editors, correspondents, travel writers, market research analysts in organizations. Department of Arabic offers a course Phonetics and Translation. It introduces learners to facilitate entry and engagement in an Arabic speaking environment. It develops good pronunciation and translation through advanced awareness of relevant aspect of speech. Department of Hindi offers media communication, and it mainly helps in gaining knowledge on information and technology, because media is one of the pillars and it enables you to strive in media world and introduce you as news readers, anchors or script writers. Department of Sanskrit offers two courses, light music, which mainly introduce you all to the basics of light music in Carnatic classic style. It also offers a course in health and well-being through Ayurveda, yoga and meditation. The course highlights the importance of health and well-being in contemporary health scenario and motivates students further to study about ancient Indian health sciences. You will all know the importance of Ayurveda, yoga and meditation in physical, mental health and well-being, which can be implemented in day-to-day life. Now let's look at the courses offered by the Department of Social Sciences. Department of Economics offers two courses, Disaster Management. It provides knowledge on disaster preparedness and reducing the effect and rehabilitation of individuals. It also offers another course, Agricultural Economics. So it helps in studying and analyzing the aspects that influence the agricultural economy. It trains personnels which will meet the nation's demand for high level professional manpower in agricultural sciences, agricultural economics and agribusiness management. Department of History offers a course, Sociology of Culture, which will introduce students to understand the sociological theory and culture of states as a sociological concept. It focuses on individual, social assumption and multicultural aspects. Department of Political Science offers a course, Women's Studies. It is mainly an exciting new area of study that opens possibilities for research innovations and field activism. It also encourages students to participate in service and mold them as social human beings. Department of Public Administration offers two COC courses, International Travel and Tourism Management. So where it mainly introduces you all to tourism management, air ticketing and also helps in dealing with customers and communication. The next course offered by Public Administration is E-Governance, where it equips students with information about e-governance initiatives for delivery of citizen-centric services. It also helps in attaining skills needed to manage e-government projects and programs. Department of Psychology, it offers interpersonal communication. The objective of the course is to provide the student with theoretical and practical introduction to interpersonal communication in order to improve their personal effectiveness in all spheres of life. Now let's look into the courses offered by the Department of Commerce. Department of Commerce offers two courses. One is Retail Management, where Retail Management, it mainly gives an overview of concepts and fundamentals and acquaints the students with application of global marketing practices and enables them to acquire specialized skills in retailing. It also offers another course, Insurance Licentiate, which is mainly carried out in collaboration with Insurance Institute of India, and the main objective of the course is to impart systematic education, training and creating avenues for research and development in the field of insurance and insurance services, which mainly helps in highly efficient and skilled professionals. Department of Physical Sciences offers various courses like Computer Science Department offers 3 COC courses, Python programming, which mainly introduces to the Python programming language, and it develops competence in programming for entry into computer science jobs. It also offers artificial intelligence course which is introduced this academic year, and this course is aimed at providing students with a sound base in artificial intelligence and expand their thinking and problem solving skills. It also offers beginners course in machine learning which is aimed at educating the students with basic foundations of machine learning coupled with working knowledge of applying simple machine learning techniques for problem solving. Student will learn theoretical concepts, methods, algorithms and techniques from the machine learning field. Department of Physics and Electronics offers robotics, and preferably it will be for physical science students, and it is mainly to required skill to design the motion for robotic systems, understanding the functionality and limitations of robot actuators and sensors, and program a robot to perform a specified task. Department of Mathematics offers a course General Mathematics for non-math students, and fundamental skills in mathematics will be learned by the students in this particular course. Department of Life Sciences offers various career-oriented courses. Biochemistry department offers a course which is titled as Design Thinking as a Skill. This course enhances innovation activities in terms of value creation, speed and sustainability. It strengthens students' individual and collaborative capabilities to identify problems and mainly develop sound hypotheses to collect and analyze appropriate data and develop ways to collect meaningful feedback in the real world environment. It also teaches students to translate broadly defined opportunities into actionable innovation possibilities and recommendations for key stakeholders and their organizations. Department of Biotechnology offers medical lab technology, and it mainly gains basic knowledge in hematology, diagnostic procedures and waste management in hospitals, and gain overall knowledge on hospital techniques and management. Department of Zoology offers aquarium maintenance. It provides hands-on training to the students for setting up an aquarium and its decoration, management, development, breeding and rearing fishes. Department of Microbiology offers medical coding in collaboration with MedConverge Health Sciences, where it's a private institute and expertise from that particular institute mainly conducts this course in the campus, where the admission fee is 2000 rupees. So it helps in creating awareness on healthcare system and analytical knowledge to assign codes for various diseases and procedures. The careers are in the outsourcing world of healthcare, which will give scope for international exposure. Department of Nutrition offers 3 courses: Fitness and Nutrition, which will train and equip the students with relevant skills and inputs related to fitness and nutrition. It helps you in seeking a career as fitness and diet counselors in health centers, gyms and schools. The second course offered is Baking Techniques, where it helps in developing professional competency in the student in bakery industry and can set up their own retail bakery business. The third course offered by the Department of Nutrition is Culinary Techniques. It develops culinary competencies among students in multi-cuisine recipes, and it also develops competence to get employment and set up own catering business and cookeries classes. Department of Genetics offers Clinical Cytogenetics, where skills in the area of clinical cytogenetics are mainly imparted, and it helps in taking up technical opportunity in corporate hospitals, research R&D organizations, research and development organizations. Department of Botany offers herbal medicine and beauty care, where it promotes beauty care as a viable career option to students with aptitude. It helps in use of herbal products as alternative therapy and for personal grooming, and also helps in establishing your own beauty parlor. Department of Chemistry offers textiles and dyes, where it creates awareness about art and basic knowledge, and also knowledge on weaving, dyeing and printing. It motivates youth for self-employment and women empowerment. So finally, when the course registration has to take place, all of you are required to visit the college website. In the college website, you will find COC registration link, and when you click on the link, it will lead you to a Google form. Submit your details through the Google form. Ensure that you enter your correct hall ticket number and select your course of choice. Each course intake is limited to 40 students only. So I repeat, each course intake is limited to 40 students, and registrations will be open from 11th February, that is today, from 7 p.m. onwards. I repeat once again, registrations will be open from 11th February, today, from 7 p.m. onwards. In case of any queries regarding to the courses, you can please contact your course coordinators. The list of the course coordinators with contact details will be shared in your WhatsApp group. An important note for all of you, enroll yourself only in one course, otherwise your registration remains cancelled. This is mainly to be noted. Enroll yourself only in one course, otherwise your registration remain cancelled. We also have a COC committee. I, Jyoti, I am the convener for the COC committee, and we have faculty members who will be coordinating the COC courses in the semester. We have Mrs. K. Usharani, Head Department of MCOM, Mrs. K. Supriya, Lecturer from the Department of Commerce, Dr. Tasneem, Head Department of Zoology, Miss Gladys, Lecturer Department of Mathematics. So we all coordinate the COC courses in the college. So just a glimpse of the COC registration form. So when you click on the link for COC registrations, so you will get a Google form. Fill in all the details appropriately, especially your hall ticket number, the course, what you're going to take up, and also your contact details. So these are mandatory for all of you to fill it up properly, so that later you don't face any difficulty in registration. So this is how there will be a drop down menu to choose the course of your choice. Select the course of the choice, fill up the form and submit the form on time to get enrolled into your course of choice. So girls, so this was all about the various COC courses offered in this semester for all of you. So I will end this orientation with a quote which is very famous. Success is never permanent. Failure is never final. So always do not stop effort until your victory makes a history. Good luck to all of you. Thank you.